What is density?
Density is the measurement of how much of a substance fits in a certain space.
Even though a pencil and pipe cleaner are the same size and shape, one is more dense than the other. The pencil is more dense because the particles it is made of are closer together than the pipe cleaner's particles.
Another example would be air versus helium. A helium balloon will float, while a balloon filled with just air will not. The reason helium floats is because helium gas is less dense than the air, causing it to rise above. A balloon filled with just air won't float because it has the same density as the air around it.
Have you ever tried mixing water and oil? What happens? They separate because water is more dense than oil. Each cup has the same amount of liquid, but they weigh differently. This is because the water molecules are packed more closely together than the oil molecules.
Have you noticed your ice cubes floating in your water before? Shouldn't they sink? When water freezes and becomes ice, the molecules spread apart, making it less dense. As we now know, things that are less dense float on top.
Density tower.
Remember that cool density tower? How does it work? We know that more dense substances sink, while less dense substances float. Our density tower shows this because the honey, our most dense liquid, is at the bottom, and the rubbing alcohol, our least dense liquid, is at the top. All the other ingredients stack according to their density.
Why do you think the marshmallow floats in the rubbing alcohol while the paper clip sinks down with the honey?